If your landscape fabric is not stopping weeds like it should, you're definitely not alone. This happens way more than you'd think. So, first off, make sure you're using a thick enough landscape fabric because the thin stuff just lets weeds sneak through. Next, add a good layer of mulch on top of the fabric. It helps block sunlight, which weeds need to grow. When you're laying down the fabric, overlap the edges by at least 6 inches so weeds don't pop up between the gaps. Also, don't forget to secure the fabric properly with landscape staples so it doesn't shift and create openings. If you already have weeds growing, pull them out by hand instead of just cutting them because the roots can regrow and mess things up. Keep an eye on the edges of your beds since weeds love creeping in from there. Water your plants carefully so you don't accidentally help weeds get extra moisture too. Lastly, replace or add new mulch every year because it breaks down and loses its weed-blocking power over time. One of the biggest problems with landscape fabric not working is using cheap, thin material that tears easily. Switching to a heavier-duty fabric fixes this fast. Another common mistake is skipping the mulch layer. Without that extra barrier, weeds still get plenty of sunlight to thrive. Adding at least 2 inches of mulch stops this. Lastly, people often don't overlap or secure the fabric properly, which lets weeds sneak through seams or move the fabric out of place. Just overlapping by 6 inches and pinning it down tight solves this issue right away. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for quality work, making the whole process easier for everyone.